If you're familiar with this channel, you know I review dozens of aftermarket Tesla accessories. Well, today I'm switching it up and I'm reviewing Tesla's official merchandise directly from Tesla themselves. We'll check out everything from Tesla accessories to drinkware and clothing. Let's get right into it. But before we start, I just want to mention that Tesla is not paying me to show you these products, and I've purchased all of them with my own funds to make this video for you. Thank you to Baseus for sponsoring this video. Stay tuned to see how one of their products can keep your Tesla nice and clean. First up, we have Tesla's Illuminated door sills. These replace your standard door sills and adds a premium touch by illuminating your vehicle's model name with a nice white glow whenever you open a door. I like these because the installation is effortless and requires no wiring. Just remove the stock door sills with the hairdryer and the included pry tool and replace them with the illuminated ones. The lights are activated with magnetic switches that preserve power when the doors are closed. They come in either silver or black and really take the Tesla experience to a new level. These will run you up to $250 depending on which color you get. But if you want to save some cash, there's an aftermarket version that will give you the same effect at half the price. I'll leave a link to both down below. Here's one that I've been waiting to get my hands on. I'm an outdoors person, and I also travel a lot. Therefore, I had to get my hands on these Tesla roof racks, which were designed and engineered from the ground up for maximum aerodynamic efficiency, minimal interior noise, and impact to range. The ultra-sleek attachment mechanism makes for easy installation at home while blending in seamlessly. The aluminum crossbars on the roof rack feature T-slots to seamlessly mount on compatible attachments such as ski racks, bike racks, and cargo boxes. They're made of aluminum powder-coated crossbars and die-casted towers with integrated locks. And they have a load rating of 150 pounds and a static limit of 495 pounds. They're pricey at $400, but I found an excellent aftermarket alternative at a fraction of the cost. If you're interested, I'll leave both linked in the description below. For all of you pet owners out there, this is Tesla's pet liner for the Model 3, S, and Y. This pet liner is made from a breathable quilted fleece material, creating maximum comfort for your pet during car rides or while relaxing in dog mode. Designed exclusively for the second row of the Model S, Model 3, and Model Y, the three-piece set features a durable water-resistant hammock-style liner and two door protectors to safeguard against paws, dirt, pet hair, and accidental slumber. This one costs $145 from Tesla, but you might have seen me show you an aftermarket pet liner a few times on this channel, like in this video here. It does everything that Tesla's version does except come with a storage bag, but at less than half the price, you might be interested in picking it up instead. Comment and let me know which you'd pick up. I'll leave the links to both down below. Speaking of pets and the messes they leave, it's a great time to tell you more about this video's sponsor, Baseus. Baseus is an electronics manufacturer that has earned numerous international awards, making minimalist, innovative, and easy-to-use products like the A3 Lite car vacuum cleaner, a high-quality portable vacuum with powerful suction to not only keep your Tesla clean by vacuuming sand, dust, crumbs, and puppy hair, but you can also use it with vacuum storage bags. Its reverse capability lets you inflate air mattresses, pool toys, and inflatable boats with the included adapters. It can even be used as a blower. When cleaning, you can use it standalone or with a 2-in-1 suction nozzle to get between tight gaps and crevices. Cleaning the vacuum is a breeze. It features a detachable and washable HEPA filter and one-click emptying for easy cleaning. One charge gets you up to 30 minutes of use, and when you're done, you can charge up its rechargeable 6,000 milliamp battery using a USB-C cable right from inside your Tesla. Since the A3 Lite is thinner than a 16-ounce water bottle, it can easily be stored away in places like your glove box or cup holders when not in use. Get $23 off the Baseus A3 Lite by visiting the link in the description and using code MikeSeuss at checkout. You've seen me cover this next one in multiple videos on this channel, and that's floor mats. There are so many aftermarket options out there, and I think I reviewed them all. Now I have my hands on Tesla's official floor mats. These all-weather interior liners are made from thermoplastic elastomer material for ultimate protection and spatial coverage. Unlike traditional floor mats, these liners are comprised of vertical walls that ensure maximum protection to the footwell carpet and provides easy cleanup. Tesla's design studio crafted the exclusive grip pattern. They're 100% recyclable and free of lead, latex, and PVC. These floor mats will cost you $225. They're great, however, I still stand by my favorite aftermarket floor mats by Audio. They're half the price and give you more features that you'll love. You can check them out in this video I released previously. I'll have the links to both Tesla's and Audio's floor mats in the description below. Let me know in the comments which you'd go for. Sometimes it's nice to relax and unwind by enjoying a drink, which is why I picked up these Tesla sipping glasses that are inspired by Tesla Tequila's unique silhouette. Not only are they unique with their angular contours and engraved Tesla logo, but they're a great conversational piece and make an excellent addition to your bar. It comes with 2 glasses and a matching metal stand with the Tesla logo engraved. This set is a limited edition, so I suggest you grab it while you can. The links are right below in the description. Next up, we have Tesla's official CCS Combo 1 adapter. This adapter allows you to expand your charging network by letting you take advantage of over 5,000 fast chargers worldwide that aren't compatible with Tesla's charge port. Just plug the adapter into your charge port, then plug in the CCS charger to get a charge rate of up to 150 kilowatts, depending on the charging station. Tesla has the largest charging network, but keeping this with you is great because you never know when you might need to use another charging station when in a pinch. This one will run you $175, but I have another aftermarket option if you want to save some bucks. You can check out more info in this video. Drop a comment and let me know which one you'd pick up. For now, check out the links to both products down in the description below. Lastly, we have this, wait, hold on just 1 second. Okay, lastly, we have this cool Tesla branded hoodie, which Tesla calls the Chill Pullover hoodie, a part of their Tesla Chill collection. The Chill Pullover hoodie has a premium heavyweight exterior and soft fleece interior for comfort in any season. The unisex hoodie features thermoplastic polyurethane Tesla logos across the chest and on the sleeve, a double-layer single-seam hood, and pockets with custom matte zipper pulls. It's made from 60% cotton and 40% recycled polyester. It's a bit pricey at 70 bucks, but it's very comfortable and might be my new favorite hoodie. I'll leave the link below, but if you're interested in Tesla-related clothing, you can check out tons of options at accessoriesfortesla.com, which not only features apparel, but hundreds of aftermarket Tesla accessories like all of the ones I mentioned in this video. And they even have a collection of smartphone apps to elevate your Tesla ownership experience. Go check it out if you have some time. So what are my thoughts on Tesla's official accessories? They can be a bit pricey, but they all are very well made and give you peace of mind knowing that they're coming from a legitimate source. Will I continue buying aftermarket Tesla accessories? For sure, since there are so many options out there that give you an excellent bang for your buck. What about you? Let me know in the comments which you prefer. What did you think of this video? If you've enjoyed this content, give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more awesome Tesla content like these 2 videos. Until next time, peace.